Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to look at the warm-up first thing and move into the lesson in subsequent videos. So first thing I'd like you to do is take a look at the warm-up and do what you can to complete it. You're going to look at your notes if you need to, and then you're going to answer the questions that are on the screen. All right, so let's just go over what's being asked. For the first thing, we are looking at the graph at the right, the one that's opening up, right? This one right here. And then we are going to write the equation of the quadratic function in vertex form. The way you're going to do that is determine what the a value is, then identify the vertex, and then we will make sure that we write it in vertex form. And remember, vertex form is y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex is h k. Okay, so see what you can do with that. And then you're going to look at the other graph, the one to the left, and identify the x-intercepts. What are the x-intercepts? Identify the a value. And then remember that your intercepts are P and Q. And they go in the intercept form of a quadratic light right here. I'm going to put the a value here, and then you will end up with your function. All right, take a look at that, do what's on the screen, and then we'll go over it. All right, quickly going over it. A, for the first one, we look at the graph, we go over 1 unit and go up until we get on the graph, and we are going up a half a unit. So this is A is 1/2. Our vertex is the point 2, 3. All right, and our y value, our equation, when we put it all together, is going to be y is equal to 1/2 times x minus 2 squared plus 3. All right, for number 2, our a value, start at your vertex, go over 1 unit, and then how far do we have to go to get on the graph? We have to go -2, so our a value is -2. Our intercepts are -3 and 1. And our y value, our y function is going to be y is equal to a, which is -2, x minus -3, which is x plus 3, times x minus 1. And that'll be our function. All right, what do you need to know? Tests for Unit 4A is on Friday, this coming Friday, November 1st. Start preparing now. There's a lot on this test. Go back and revisit some of the things that are in the early part of the packet. Sign up for tutoring if you want to come to tutoring this week on student support time. There are sessions on Tuesday and Thursday. Need to sign up at least 24 hours in advance. And when you sign up, you're going to tell me one thing that you want to work on. Are you wanting to replace an assignment? Which one assignment are you wanting to replace? Are you wanting to reinforce something that we're currently learning? Something from Unit 4A? Then tell me what that is. I'm having trouble finding the vertex in standard form. I want to work on writing functions in vertex form. Say something when you sign up so I can be prepared for you. All right, today we are finishing learning about intercept form of a quadratic function, and then we'll compare the 3 forms of a quadratic function. All right. I'm going to wrap this video and we're going to move on to the second video.